IELTS vocabulary. Master the word abandon. Imagine you're on a sinking ship. What's the one word the captain should never say? Abandon! Today, we're exploring this powerful word that's crucial for your IELTS vocabulary. Word type: abandon can function as both a verb and a noun. Meaning, as a verb, abandon means to leave someone or something permanently, especially when you have a responsibility to stay. It can also mean to stop doing an activity before it's finished. As a noun, it refers to a complete lack of inhibition or restraint. Word history: the word abandon comes from the Old French word abandonner, which literally meant to surrender to someone's control. It entered the English language in the 14th century. Antonyms: some antonyms of abandon include keep, maintain, continue, and preserve. Synonyms: synonyms for abandon include desert, forsake, relinquish, and renounce. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use abandon in different contexts. As a verb, the hikers had to abandon their journey due to bad weather. Here, abandon means to stop or discontinue an activity. As a noun, she danced with wild abandon at the party. In this case, abandon refers to a lack of restraint or inhibition. Another example as a verb: parents who abandon their children can face legal consequences. This usage emphasizes the act of leaving or deserting someone. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing abandon with abundant. While they may sound similar, abundant means plentiful or existing in large quantities. Another error is using abandon when you mean neglect. While both involve not taking care of something, abandon implies completely leaving or giving up, while neglect means failing to care for properly. Lastly, remember that when using abandon as a verb, it's often followed by an object. You abandon something or someone, not just abandon on its own. Understanding and correctly using the word abandon can significantly enhance your IELTS writing and speaking scores. It allows you to express ideas of leaving, discontinuing, or lack of restraint with precision. Remember its various uses as both a verb and a noun, and practice incorporating it into your English vocabulary. With this knowledge, you're one step closer to achieving that 6.5 band score or even higher.